energy is a vital force propelling human civilization forward. Today, humanity stands at the threshold of a renewable energy era, where carbon peaking, carbon neutrality, and the wave of integration of clean energy and industrial intelligence are surging forward. In 2020, Anhui sets sail with a dream and embarks on an ambitious journey. Venturing into the vast landscape of the renewable energy industry, through years of relentless dedication and perseverance, we have grown into a leading system suppliers in the fields of battery energy storage system, EV chargers, and battery-swap electric heavy-duty trucks in China. Rooted in storage and charging technology R&D and storage and charging system engineering construction, we have established a one-center, three-bases R&D and production layout, fostering robust momentum to support the carbon peak and carbon neutrality goals. Digital engineering and smart interconnection ensure every unit of electricity is stored and released with ease. Rapid battery swapping and intelligent interaction bolster the backbone of heavy machinery. Endurance and low-carbon travel empower eco-friendly transportation. Cross mountains and seas, we pursue the light, illuminating hope in barren lands. We accurately capture market demands, swiftly forge a diversified product portfolio, upholding a commitment to quality service and leveraging professional financing platforms. We are committed to providing clients with intelligent energy overall solutions. As a leading system suppliers in the fields of BESS, EV chargers, and BESS electric heavy-duty trucks in China, we consolidate our foundation yet innovate relentlessly, accelerating the fusion of production and intelligence. We have an intelligent high-density automatic storage and retrieval system ASRS, two full automated liquid cool pack production lines equipped with ABB robots, manufacturing execution system with AGVs, a 10 ppm takt time, and an annual output of 3 gigawatts per hour of energy storage products at full capacity. With standardized, efficient, automated, and digital production, we optimize the industrial layout and develop new productivity. In this monumental carbon peak and carbon neutrality revolution, we take intelligence as our engine, firmly follow the path of independent innovation and deep integration of industry, university, research. Collaborating with like-minded partners, we jointly forge a strategic industrial landscape of integration of solar storage and charging. In the field of energy storage technology, we compete for the future with intelligence, accumulate strength, break through barriers, and successfully master the core technologies such as PCS and BMS, especially rank among the leading forces in China in the field of battery pack balancing topology and control technology. Integrity, diligence, and perseverance define Anhui. We are continuously surpassing ourselves and striving for excellence. We firmly seize the opportunities presented by major reforms in the national and societal energy sectors. We aspire to becoming a leading enterprise in China's renewable energy industry, empower green energy with intelligence and outlining a new blueprint for the future of smart energy. Creating smart energy for a smarter leading future. Anhui Energy.